Are you looking for the best portable workbenches in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best portable workbenches that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Workmate Portable Workbench. The Getaway Garage Workbench is the perfect addition to any home garage or workshop. This bench is built with a durable steel frame and wooden vice jaws that can hold up to 350 pounds, making it perfect for working on projects of all sizes. The compact, lightweight design of the bench allows it to be easily stored away when not in use, and the adjustable swivel pegs make it easy to clamp irregularly shaped materials. The slip-resistant feet help keep the bench in place while you work, and the jaws resist warping and can be angled to accommodate uniquely shaped materials. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just getting started, the Getaway Garage Workbench is the perfect solution for all your project needs. At number 2, Keter Folding Table Workbench. The Keter Folding Table Workbench is a great option for anyone needing a sturdy, portable workbench. It's made from long-lasting resin and has heavy-duty aluminum legs that can support up to 1,000 pounds. The weather-resistant polypropylene construction prevents rusting, peeling, and denting, and the table weighs only 30 pounds. The folding table workbench can be unfolded in less than 30 seconds and includes a built-in carrying handle, making it easy to bring with you anywhere. The table also includes two 12-inch clamps to secure a variety of working materials, making it perfect for any kind of project, including DIY projects, home improvement, commercial construction work, painting, table saw use, and more. At number 3, WORX Portable Table Workbench. The WORX Pegasus is a versatile and sturdy work table and sawhorse that is perfect for the home workshop or job site. The table is made out of molded ABS with steel supports and fittings, and can hold up to 300 pounds as a work table or 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. The Pegasus is also easy to transition between the two, and comes with two quick clamps that are integrated and stay attached even when you fold the table into a sawhorse. The table is only 25 pounds, and its foldable design makes it easy to move and store. You can also connect multiple tables together to create a whole work counter. The Pegasus is a great addition to any workshop or job site. At number 4, Bosch Home & Garden Workbench. The PWB 600 Workbench is a great way to securely hold all of your workpieces in position. The easy-to-use folding mechanism makes it a breeze to set up and take down, and the water-repellent and durable work surfaces made of bamboo make it a great choice for any workspace. The maximum clamping depth of 34 mm and maximum clamping width of 85 mm make it a great choice for a variety of projects. We highly recommend the PWB 600 Workbench for anyone looking for a great way to hold their workpieces in place. The easy-to-use folding mechanism, water-repellent and durable work surfaces, and great clamping capabilities make it a great choice for any workspace. At number 5, Kreg Mobile Project Center. The versatile Kreg Mobile Project Center MPC allows you to work on your projects anywhere, whether it's in your garage, workshop, or out in your driveway. The MPC folds down in seconds for easy transport and storage, and it has a hole pattern on the top that accepts bench dogs and other accessories. The MPC also features multiple work modes to suit your needs. The standard mode is great for working on smaller projects, while the extended mode gives you more room to work on larger projects. The MPC also has a built-in power strip so you can easily plug in your tools, and it has a bottom shelf that's perfect for storing your materials. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a professional contractor, the Kreg Mobile Project Center is a great addition to your workshop. It's easy to set up and use, and it's versatile enough to handle any project you throw at it. So if you're looking for a mobile workstation that can do it all, the MPC is the perfect solution. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.